Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Instagram account permissions and camera/mic access. This prevents last-minute denials. Once done, make sure your phone is charged above 50% and Do Not Disturb is enabled so notifications won't interrupt. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or strong 4G signal to avoid dropouts and close background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. These steps reduce lag and permission errors, so you can initiate the live without technical surprises and get right into going live. Now you configure the live itself. Open the story's camera and swipe to live. Type a clear title and optional tags to attract viewers. Then choose front or rear camera and lock orientation, portrait for chatting, landscape for wider scenes, because framing affects engagement. Next, toggle comment settings and turn on moderation filters so you control chat flow. If you plan guests, enable live rooms, enable donation or shopping features if needed. These choices control viewer experience and reduce interruptions during the broadcast. Tap Go Live, watch the 3, 2, 1 countdown, and greet viewers immediately to set tone and keep retention. While broadcasting, monitor comments, pin important messages, and invite a guest if desired to boost interaction. If you need to end, thank viewers and save the live to your archive or share to IGTV for later viewing. If you encounter lag or audio dropouts, first switch to mobile data or restart the app. That one troubleshooting tip usually restores the stream quickly without losing your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.